What is good, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, you guys asked for it, so today I am delivering it. In my previous video, I put up a video and I basically asked you guys if you guys wanted me to do a whole in-depth video of all my streams of passive income in the whole crypto DeFi space as a whole. And everybody in the comments was like, bro, do it. Josiah, please show us your passive income making abilities. Josiah, please put us onto your passive income. Josiah, how much are you make? All of them was saying that. So I'm like, I might as well. I have to do it. I have to show you guys exactly how much I'm making passively with my cryptocurrency. So in this video, I'm gonna dive into every single crypto investment I'm in that's paying me passive income. I'm not really gonna go into any of like the small ones, like the super small ones that might be paying me like $3, $4, $5 every month or whatever like that. I'm really gonna dive into the ones that I'm in heavily and I will be holding for a very long time. So make sure you guys smash the like button if you guys enjoy these type of videos. Make sure to comment down below any questions you might have, any ideas you might have. A lot of you guys have been DMing me on Instagram at @Juver_. You can DM me if you want. But a lot of you guys have been DMing me some projects that you guys want me to check out. So if you guys want me to check out any projects, just DM it to me on Instagram. I'll hit y'all back. I'll see if I already know about the coin. If not, I'll research it. Maybe I'll end up making a video about it and I'll shout you guys out if you guys put me onto a coin. Somebody put me onto a coin that literally went up 700%. I got a quick flip, well, quick 7 times flip and took my money out. So I appreciate you. If more of y'all like that, let's be friends, you know what I'm saying? And let's get into the video, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor. We're just friends, you know what I'm saying? But without further ado, man, let's just hop right into this. I forgot to say this too. Make sure you subscribe because I'm dropping bangers. Hit the post notification bell too because I'm dropping really valuable bangers and you're gonna want to be notified whenever I upload, because if you miss out, you might miss out on a couple $100,000. That's what I'm saying. But now let's get into it. All right, so here we are on my first stream of passive income, Celcius. I've talked about this app a little while ago. I want to say 3 or 4 months ago. You can go back on my channel. I went into what this is. It's basically a wallet that you hold your cryptocurrency in. You can hold a bunch of different cryptocurrencies. If you come on their website, it tells you all the cryptocurrencies that you can hold, and they basically pay you out interest just for holding your crypto inside there. So instead of you holding your crypto on Coinbase, which does absolutely nothing except for give you your gains when the market goes up and down, you can hold it in Celcius and you'll be able to earn interest on top of the gains that you make with your cryptocurrency. So I actually have a link inside my description. If you guys want to actually sign up, you could deposit $400 and you'll get $40 worth of cryptocurrency for absolutely free. So if you want to do that, go ahead and do that. But basically, like I said, they have a bunch of different cryptos here. As of right now, I have around $60,000 in there just of Ethereum. I used to have a little bit more, but I took some out just to kind of diversify my portfolio just a little bit more. But I still hold around $65,000 in here. But they have all these coins here and they all pay out different percentages. And the great thing about Celcius that I like is that they pay out your percentages every single week. So you don't have to wait a month or 2 months or every year to get your percentages. So as of right now, Ethereum is paying 6.27% every single year. So if we do the calculations on that, let's pull it up. I'm gonna do the calculations all on screen so you guys can see it too, just so you guys don't gotta be like, is he telling the truth, or think I'm making up numbers? And I'm gonna keep track of all the numbers as well on my phone. So let's say I have 60,000. It's a little bit more than 60, but we'll say we have $60,000 in there and it's paying out, why it's not moving, 6.27% every single year. So we need to calculate how much that is a month. So we're gonna do times 0.067 equals $4,020 every single year. So let's divide that by 12 because there's 12 months in a year. So divide it by 12. And it's basically paying me out $335 every single month. That's not absolutely amazing money, but it's money that I'm making while I'm sleeping, you know what I'm saying? And the further on, the numbers are gonna add up. I personally don't even know how much I make. I have kind of a scale of how much I think I make passively every single month, but I don't have an exact number, so this is gonna be a surprise for us both. So let's hop into the next stream of income and let me jot this number down. All right, so here is my next source of passive income that I am making with crypto. It is adding basically liquidity to these different pools, and they're paying me out some crazy high percentages. Now I don't have a lot of money in these. I think in the max I have in one is $11,000, but it pays out up to, I think one of mine pay out like 140% every single year, which is absolutely amazing. The website is Radium. They have a bunch of different pools. If you just come right into here, I'm gonna go into farms. I'm gonna turn on staked only, but you see they have all of these different pools that you can go in. These are all liquidity pools. You're basically adding your crypto in here to provide liquidity for other people to do trades, and they're paying you out a percentage just for you doing that. They have one that's paying out 560% APY, one that's paying out 413% APY, 532. So they have some pretty crazy high percentages that they're paying out for you to be able to add to these liquidity pools. But I'm going to turn on staked only. I have a bunch of different ones in here. I'm doing Ray, Sol, Stars, USDC, Wolf's Ray, SYP Sol, Bop Ray. But my two biggest holdings are in Ray Sol and SYP Sol, so that's all we're going to count. I have $5,000 in here as well, but I'm not going to count that as of right now because I don't plan on keeping that in there for months and months at a time. I'll probably keep it in there for one more month. I also have this, I have Wolf and Ray, and that has about $3,000 in it right now. But this one has $10,143 and is paying out 47% APY. So let's do the math on that. I completely forgot the number already. $10,143 in there, and it's paying out 47% APY. So times 0.47 equals $4,767 every single year. So now we want to know how much we're making per month. So let's do divided by 12 equals $397.26. So now we have the calculations for how much we're making with Ray Sol. Now let's go into SYP Sol and see how much we're making with 171% APY, well, APR. I have $9,000 in here as of right now. So let's do the calculations on that. 9,187 times, it's paying me out 171% APY. So times 1.71 equals, it's paying me out $15,709 every single year. So let's get the monthly payout. $1,309 every single month from staking or adding our liquidity to the SYP Sol. So I'm gonna jot this down inside my phone, and we're gonna move on to my next source of passive income. Like I said, if you want to get into any of these different projects that I'm going to be talking about, I either have videos on them already, or you have to go and do your own research. I don't suggest doing all these, just hopping right into them just because you saw me do it. Please do your own research. I never just follow anybody that tweets about something or says to buy something. Do your own research, and if you feel comfortable enough in putting your money in this or investing in this, then hop into it. But let me jot this down, and I'll be back with my next source of income, passive income. Let's not forget the passive part. All right, so here is my next source of passive income, Klima. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Honestly, I'm not sure. Do not hold me to that, but we're gonna go with Klima because it just rolls off the tongue nicely. It is a DAO, basically project, just the same as Olympus DAO or Wonderland Time, which we're going to get into a little bit later. But this one is on the Polygon network. It's currently paying out 38,960% APY. Keep in mind that is compounding interest. And as of right now, let's go to the app. As of right now, I'm staking, if it shows, 4.1683 Klima in here. So in order for me to see how much that is in US dollars, we're going to take this, copy it, and we're gonna come over to cryptocurrency.com, type in Klima, and we're gonna type in how much we have right here, and it'll tell us exactly how much it's worth. $6,265 I'm staking inside of Klima right now. And like I said, it's paying out 38,975% every single year. That's if I keep it in there. But we're just gonna go on how much it's making basically every month. Right here has a return on investment, a 5-day rate. So we're gonna use this number right here, and then we're gonna multiply that enough times for us to get 30 days out of the 5-day rate, if that makes sense. I feel like I said it a lot more complicated than I had to. I'm just gonna do the math right now because I'm talking too much. So we have $6,263 in here. So let's do the math. 6,262. We won't round it up. Then we're gonna times that by the percentage that it's paying out every single 5 days, which is 8.52 times 0.085. That's $532 every 5 days. And how many 5 days is in 30? 6, right? So we're gonna do 5 times, well, we're gonna do our number that we have because that's how much we're making every single 5 days. We need to figure out how much we're making in a month. So we're gonna do times 6 equals $3,193 every single month from Klima. So we're gonna write this down. Keep in mind it is compounding interest, so technically it is more than this every single month, but just for simple terms, I'm just gonna leave it at the 8.52% for every 5 days. So let me write this down and then we're gonna hop into my next source of passive income. Boom, here we are, my next source of passive income, strong block nodes. Now, I made two videos about this actually last week and the week before. If you guys don't know what these are actually some great sources of passive income, but like I said, do not just take my word for it, do your own research on it. I personally love the project as a whole. I told you guys in my last video that I had one of them and I was thinking about buying 4 more, so I bought 4 more this morning. So now, as you see here, I have job replacement number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, because these are literally people's jobs and they're just being replaced by these nodes. So how we do the math on this, each of these strong nodes are paying out 0.1 strong token every single day. So technically we're making 0.5 strong token every single day. So in order for us to get how much we're gonna make on a monthly basis, we need to find out what the price of each strong coin is. So let's type in strong, come here. Each strong token is worth $562 as of right now. Now, of course, all of these numbers that I'm saying in this video, they do vary. This is down 6%, but it could go up, it could go down. It's kind of an estimate on how much I'm making per month, but we'll go with the number that we have here, $562. So like I said, I'm getting paid 0.5 strong every single day. So technically I'm getting half of this every single day. So we can do the math on that. Let's do 562 divided by 2, because that's how much I'm making every single day, $281. Now let's times that by how many days are in a month. We're gonna go with a full month of 31 days. Actually, just go with 30 days, just to downplay it. So 281 times 30 equals $8,430 is how much I'm making passively through these strong nodes. Now, like I said, I personally enjoy strong nodes. I think it's a great project to be behind. If you need to learn more about the project, feel free to watch the video I did, the first ever video I did on strong block, or you can obviously do your own research, go on YouTube, go on Twitter, go on Discord, just do your own research, learn about a project, see if you want to invest in it. It is a heavy investment to get into if you don't have a lot of capital starting off. But if you do have a little bit of capital that you want to use to start off and start making some great passive income, these are a great source of passive income. So I'm going to write this number down. Then we're going to hop onto my final source of passive income, which is my biggest one. And it's what's buying me a Lamborghini in 3 seconds. Or not. So here we are, my final source of passive income through crypto. Now keep in mind, this is not my passive income outside of the whole crypto space. This is just my crypto passive income. And if you guessed it, you are a smart person. Time Wonderland. I love this project. I love the whole thing behind it. I love the community. I just love it overall. This is something that I've put my dad onto, my cousins onto, my uncle onto, my brothers, my sisters. I personally enjoy the project, and I think it's very, the way it's set up is just so strategically amazing that I don't know, I just love it. So we have to do the calculation on this, but first we have to see how much I have in here. I have 2.4. I'm just going to copy this number. Then we're going to do the same thing we did for the strong tokens. So we have to go to Wonderland time. Each coin is sitting at around 8,983. So let's put on how much I'm actually staking as of right now. $21,979 worth of time are being staked right now, or MIMO, whichever one you want to call it, Wonderland. So in order for us to figure out how much this is paying me out every single month, I have to take this number, our ROI on the 5-day rate, which is 9.6. We're going to take that number and we're going to do all the same, the mathematical process we did with the Klima token. So we're getting paid 9.6% ROI every single 5 days. So let's take the number that we have here, which is $21,989. And we're going to times that by the 5-day ROI, which is 9.6 times 0.096 equals, it's paying me out $2,110 every single 5 days. So now we need to times that by 6 to see how much we're making on a monthly basis. Times 6 equals 12,665 big buckaroonies every single month. for doing nothing. I could be sitting here playing, I'm trying to grab my controller, sitting here playing my Xbox, you know what I'm saying, and just making money. That's almost a lot of money. Well, it is a lot of money. I was trying to figure out what it almost was. I was gonna say it was almost like $300 a day, but I honestly, how much is it a day? Divided by 30 equals 422 a day. That's pretty good. But I'm gonna add this number into my calculator, then I'm gonna give you guys a total amount that I've made or I'm making passively every single month. All right, so I've done the math and I am actually baffled. I don't think I've ever used that word my entire life, but I feel like that's the only way I can express what I'm feeling. I'm not, if anybody knows me, I'm not a type of person to brag or try to show off or whatever like that. I'm simply just doing this video just to show you guys my different streams of income in the crypto space that's paying me out passively. I'm not here to be like, oh, I made $1 million in the past 3 days. I don't care, you know what I'm saying? I'm not the type of person to brag. It's just not in my personality. But if we add up all the numbers, I don't even know why I said all that. Why did I say that? I don't know, but if we add up all the numbers, Celcius, we were getting paid $335 every single month. Our liquidity pool with Ray and Sol in it was paying us $397 every single month. Our SYP Sol liquidity pool that we're in is paying us $1,309 every month. Klima is paying me $3,193 every single month. All my strong nodes are paying me $8,430 every single month. And last but not least, Wonderland is paying me $12,665 every single month. And that comes out to a whopping $26,329 every single month. Passively, completely passively. I don't have to touch any of it. I don't have to do anything. Now, keep in mind, this number can vary. It can go up, it can go down. But as of right now, if everything stays the exact same, I will be making $26,329 every single month. I think that's like over $300,000 every single year. But I'm literally just saying all this. In the crypto space, I want you guys to understand, there's literally so much possibilities. There's obviously so much risk to it. So don't go putting all your money into this stuff, because most of the time, well, not most of the time, some of the time you can lose a lot of money and it won't work out. But in the crypto space, it's such a new space. There's so many different ways to make money rather than just holding Bitcoin for the rest of your life and hodling it until it hits $1 million. There's so many different ways where you can make money on top of holding your cryptocurrency. And if you want to use Celcius, like I was talking in the beginning, it pays you out some interest on top of the gains you make by holding your cryptocurrency. But that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I kind of went deep into how much I have invested into all these passive income streams. Let me know if you guys are in any of these, or if you guys have any more suggestions on what I should get in, because I'm always open to making more passive income, and sometimes I might not know, so y'all gotta put me on. If y'all put me on, I'll give y'all $1. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you leave a like right now. Make sure you subscribe too with the post notifications on, because like I told you guys, I'm dropping straight gems. You guys are gonna want to be notified whenever I drop a gem. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions. I'm here to help. Like, I'm not a financial advisor or a CPA or anything, but I like helping people. So feel free to DM me whenever you want on Instagram. I respond to almost every single DM when it comes to questions about crypto or stocks or Shopify or business, whatever it is, you know what I'm saying? Just hit me up on Instagram. I'm a cool dude, I promise you. And that's the end of the video. And good luck on all your trades, good luck on all your crypto, good luck on all your stocks, good luck on all your just life endeavors as a whole. And I'm gonna see you on the next video.